All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, let vector AB be equal to 1i plus 3j as shown. Okay, so first things first, when it says as shown, what they're saying here, this is vector AB. We're starting at A and we're going to B. So that is vector AB. And these are like the instructions. It says, well, if you're at A, go over 1 on the X and up 3 on the Y. This is the X and that's the Y. So over 1, up 3, and boom, you'll get to B. Okay, so that is shown and that is correct. But the question they have for us is right down here. It says, write vector CD, that's this right here, in terms of vector AB. So in other words, we're going to tell the story of vector CD, but we're going to use vector AB as a reference for that. And if I get into this, I think it'll make a lot of sense. So first, I'm going to write vector AB right here. So it says vector AB. And I'm going to write vector AB in column form. In vector AB in column form, I just write my X on top of my Y. So my X is 1, that's a positive 1, and then I went up 3, so that's a positive 3. So in column form, that right there is vector AB. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a second and I'm going to go ahead and write vector CD in column form. So vector CD, let's see here, vector CD. So it's saying you're at C, how do you get to D? So we do our X first. So to get to the D line, it'd be 1, 2, 3. So I actually go back 3. And then from here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down 9. And that right there is the story of vector CD. But what the question asked me to do was I want to express this vector in context or in terms of AB. So the way we do that, it's actually pretty straightforward. You look at your x's when you ask yourself, okay, well, how would 1 become negative 3? 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Boom. How does 3 become negative 9? 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So we're multiplying this by negative 3. So in other words, you can say we're multiplying AB times negative 3. So to express this in terms of AB, you would just say vector CD, okay, is the same as taking negative 3 and multiplying it or applying it to vector AB. And there you go. That is your answer. And you can kind of imagine if you just substitute in the column form and put it right there, and I can show you that right here. If you substitute that into column form, it's like saying negative 3 times, instead of AB, I write 1 over 3. And and there's no fraction sign there. Whoopsie, that's my bad. So if you apply that, you get negative 3 and negative 9, and that right there shows you that that is CD. So that's how you do it, and that's why it works. All right, as always, if you want to be notified when I make new videos, go ahead and subscribe, and you'll get notified when I make something new just for you. And if there's anything you want to see or there is a problem that you don't understand and you want me to talk about, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I'll do my best to make that for you. Okay, thank you. Bye.